I'm Mike Caudill here at the 2021 Florida RV Super Show, where Keystone's making big news with this product right here. This is their highly popular fifth wheel, the Keystone Alpine, and for 2021, it's getting not only a mid-cycle exterior refresh, but a mid-cycle interior refresh. Dustin Tavernier, the product manager for Keystone Alpine, is going to tell us what's happening on the exterior of this product.
Absolutely. So, as you mentioned, we wanted to refresh the look of the Alpine, so we're excited. We introduced two brand new paint schemes, paint colors, the whole 9 yards. So, anyone interested in a full body paint Alpine has that opportunity. What we're looking at here is our champagne exterior.
No stickers, no decals, no nothing on the exterior. So this is all paint.
That's all paint, 100%.
And who makes this paint that goes on the side?
We actually have our own paint booth. Thor Industries / Keystone RV, we're able to utilize that. So we paint it, we warranty it, we take care of everything when it comes to that.
Part of the innovation lab of Keystone. Cool. Well, let's take a look at the inside with what that mid-cycle refresh looks like.
Sounds
give me a full shakedown.
Will do. So one of the things I wanted to highlight on the inside for the Alpine makeover, we're walking right in to our kitchen space.
Oh yeah, that's so. If you got your outside dining right here, it makes it super easy. You're just taking your food, you're rolling right outside. Now tell me about the design on here. We've got some really cool countertops.
Yes.
I love the backsplash. This is kind of, you're taking your home on wheels, so you kind of have that good creature comfort of having a design that fits, fits the look that you want.
Absolutely. So plenty of countertop space. We've got cabinetry overhead. As you can see just behind me, huge pantry with adjustable shelves. Right here, Mike, we've got a residential refrigerator, which is capped
awesome.
off nicely by a wine rack.
Oh, you drop your, in my case, it might be a bottle of bourbon, but you got your wine, you got your rack up there, super cool, and then storage over the top.
Absolutely.
Stainless steel appliances, 3 different stovetop burners, which I really love. And for me, Dustin, this is probably one of my favorite parts, is that you've got dual opposing slides that pop out. So
yes.
If you want the captain's chairs, you've got the captain's chair, the big screen television, but again, the layout and design makes me feel like I'm at home.
Well, and that was truly what we wanted to do. By offering this feature wall, obviously the fireplace, your Jensen electronics, and everything pointed at, like you said, the captain's chairs, you come in here and you truly feel like you're in a whole separate room.
It's open, and I just noticed LED lights under the 2 captain's chairs. You have LED lights rounding out chairs?
I do not, just solely under the captain's chairs.
The focus is there,
yes,
baby.
Yeah, that's where you want to sit. On those seats, you've got the ability to charge. You have heat, massage, and then recline.
And one thing you and I were talking about off camera was the fact that I owned a 2004 Keystone Cougar, and I always felt like the inside I wanted to gut it, right? I wanted to like give, and so, even the lighting fixtures, we're working with more of a modern look. We've got dark wood accents on the inside. We've got these, really full surround sound seating in here, if you will, for being able to watch football games or whatever it may be. A great countertop, and then functionality with 2 doors, especially for that kitchen, is so important because you're going right in and out, right in and out. You're handing stuff out as you want to eat outside during the summer. What about the next part in here? We move into the bathroom, then up to the...
Yes. Before we head this way, another nice entry. Basically, you're entering right into a half bath. So if you're entertaining outside, it's a perfect situation. You can come into the kitchen, take care of this. If the kids are outside, head right into the half bath. That way you're not coming through the unit itself.
Yeah, that's great. You're at the beach, right? You think about being at the beach. You don't have rugs in here. The kids can come right inside, and they can easily use the restroom and go right back outside. Yes. I love that. So to be perfectly honest, I thought we were just going to stop with the bedroom, and then it turned out over my shoulder is a full bathroom and a walk-in closet. But let's start right here with the bedroom.
Absolutely. So as you walk into the bedroom, obviously we were featuring a king bed. You've got some reading lights, a very nice headboard built for comfortable sleeping, large amounts of space in here.
For me, and I know this is such a small thing, but I'm going to throw it out anyway. Every night when I go to bed, I get a glass of water and I put it next to the bed. And right here, you just put my nice little spot for me to put water in. I can tuck my cell phone in down below if I want to read before I go to bed. And I think that's just a small little creature comfort that consumers, they want and expect. And then over here, you've got some storage built in. I love it. It kind of gives you the impact and effect of what it looks like at home with a nice little chest. And then it's like I feel like I need to shut it and open it. How cool is this? Like you've got these super functional doors right here. That's it. I'm gone. Yeah. I'm gone. But really nice sliding doors. And then we make our way into here to a full bathroom with his and her sink.
Absolutely. This is actually a brand new design from the Alpine team. So we went ahead and created basically a two spaces, his and her, and then in the middle here, a makeup station or just a prep station, or obviously the opportunity for you to set all of your toiletries and so on.
Love it. And then we spin around. I'm 6'3", and I have the ability to stand in here. I got to bring you around for this. I got to show you this. So again, the small things count, right? 6'3" up here. The last thing I want to do is reach down here. I can actually stack stuff. They thought about people that happen to be a little bit taller and putting things within easy reach. So I love that feature. And you know, if somebody does want to sit down, they have the ability to do it. But closing it out with this, we've talked about this front cap on the new Arcadia. Here you have the same kind of concept of a open full-size closet, and you have that here with a bench for your shoes.
Absolutely. Plenty of hanging space in here. We've got the shelving up top for clothes, and then really wanted to provide a spot where you could in fact sit, put on shoes, you know, some storage as well, whether it's your flip-flops, outdoor shoes. But again, very, very comfortable, enough space up here. This is truly, as you come up these steps, this is a master suite.
It is. It's big and roomy. A lot of great features in here. And all of this is new. Now, we haven't talked about the floor yet. I wanted to get a little bit of intel on the floor. So tell me about the floor.
Absolutely. We spoke a little bit earlier about the refreshing of the product. Carpet these days is really unfriendly for the environment that camping is really done in. So this allows, one, for a great look, the ease of maintenance. So this has been something that's been very, very welcome for the Alpine and in our world when it comes to going to the market with it.
So let's close it out with a little bit of pricing. For something like this, where are we going to start and where are we going to end? Just give me the long in-between. We start here and we end here.
You betcha. When you're talking Alpine, you're probably starting in that $65,000 range, and that can then go up to probably, with the full body paint that we looked at a little earlier, you're probably close to getting to that $95,000 to $100,000,
talking about
depending on the market.
It's a house, right?
Absolutely.
You're going to tow this thing. You could leave it in a location indefinitely as a home.
Oh, yeah.
On a piece of property, or you can tow this thing around the country because it's a fifth wheel up front.
Yeah.
So you have a lot of functionality. Super cool. We hope you enjoyed this video on the all-new 2021 Keystone Alpine with its mid-fresh recycle. Thank you so much, Dustin Tavernier, product manager at Keystone, for sharing more about this cool new product.
Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it very much.